As we have completed with the modeling of the staircase in ETABS, now in this video or in this model, we will see the complete G+8 story residential apartment building in ETABS. We will see it completely from the start, how to make it and all the detail of it. Okay, as we have completed with the model 1 full interface, then model 2 here, then in the model 2 only we have seen the two parts, that is the manual part and the advanced part, that is the in it we have seen that how to uh, create it by manually placing one by one, and in the second one we have seen how to do it by advanced part, that is by importing the AutoCAD plan to ETABS. Then after we seen how for the staircase in ETABS. Okay, we have seen for the dogleg staircase, spiral staircase and the circular staircase. So by taking the all of its reference and all these things, we will start with the model 4, that is the G+8 story residential apartment building in ETABS. In it, we will first of all discuss the plan, AutoCAD plan, which is a beam column centerline plan. I have directly taken it. It is like this. The plan it is like this. Okay, we will see it in detail. Then after we will be start with the ETABS. Okay, we will see in this first of all in this model 04. We will discuss in for the gravity loads and do the load application and the analysis and designing part. Then after we will do for the model 5. In it we will be seeing for the another building in which we will see for the secondary beam and the movement release in the secondary beams. Okay, then after we will see for the advanced part in ETABS. Here we will see for the defining the earthquake and all these steps. And then after in this defining this earthquake and all this, we will see once again this complete G+8 story residential building. This is for the gravity we are doing currently. Then after we will see for the earthquake and the wind loads. Okay, how it acts for that. So let's get started with this G+8 story building. This is our plan view. Here we are going to take this as the G+8 story building in ETABS. With these are some detail of it. We are going to do it as I have taken here in this AutoCAD format. This is the file here present. Okay, we will directly import it to ETABS and see the further details of it. So let's get started.